severe thunderstorm was located over Glenwood, moving order-size hail. Source: radar. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Connersville, Centerville, Liberty, Glenwood, Salem, Waterloo, Blooming Grove, Columbia, Bunker Hill, Abington, Brownsville, Laurel, Milton, Spring Grove, Boston, Richmond Municipal Airport, Dunlapsville, Whitewater State Park, and
Fast Track Storm Center warning has just been issued for the western, for Fayette, Union, and Wayne counties in Indiana until 8:15. Coldwater, St. Henry, Fort Recovery 15 as well. As for this storm, this will continue to head to the east. Okay, so those of you in St. Mary's need to be on the lookout. You're not in the tornado warning currently, but you could eventually at some point today. So right now it is radar indicated on radar and on the velocity screen. This is where there is rotation, okay? It indicates winds moving away from the radar. Green indicates in the western half of Mercer County. If you even though the Chickasaw moved to the lowest level of your home, find an alternate interior and the most plain casting on the there. Anyway, get to those many walls between you and the outside. Pull off the road and pull into the parking lot of this storm. You can see I'm trying to spin up. Okay, I'm gonna see if there's any indications of possible debris. And so far, I'm not seeing any signs of any debris, which is a good thing. That's what is that go up. And there is that looks like you're trying to form. Go ahead and zoom down in here, and we're going to get into street level here in Mercer County. County, get into your safe spot at this point. We may have indications of a tornado trying to occur here on radar as we do. Okay, so you can see we're starting to fall into the reflection of some hail. Okay, there could also be some hail within the storm, and because of the setup that we have, we can have large hail occur within any storm. Fast tracked off of radar on the debris tracker. If you live in Coldwater, get to your safe spot and hail. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and flip back to radar. And we're going to go. Give me a second here. It's trying to cross a little bit. There we go. Okay, so going down to some hail and gusty winds with these storms. These are not showing any signs of rotation at the moment. We also have a strong just around the Winchester and Ridgeville area. These will continue to push into parts of Darke County. No warnings right now, but we need to focus right now because we have a tornado warning for Mercer County until 8:15. You see there, 8:15 is how long this tornado warning goes until. I'm gonna go. You see also how we have the blue shading. That's because the brighter greens come together. That's an indicator, which will indicate if we're not. This is all radar indicated, but certain tornado. Okay. What happened is that I pushed all the way off to the east into the eastern parts of Ohio and now over towards Pennsylvania, and then we continue to see the clouds. We saw the clouds break up from time to time. Winds a little bit, really, and feed off of is the moisture. We have the lifting, which is from the warm front. We have warm front move, turning of the wind, or otherwise known as shear, and that's just a fancy word for winds that turn specifically from ground all the way up into the upper levels of the atmosphere. So we have the shear, we have the warm front that provide the lift. We have a cold front that is pushing towards us, okay? And that's called a lifting mechanism, okay? All right. We have a jet stream pattern set up as well, and all these ingredients.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Franklin County, southwestern Union County, Indiana, southern Fayette County, Indiana, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Glenwood. Radar indicated rotation. Damaged or destroyed.
Indiana, as well as Fayette County. Debris tracker, first of all, I'm not seeing any clear indications of a debris signature, although this pink polygon, you may be asking yourself, what is this pink polygon indicating? Well, that is a new thing. Was one apparently back here in Rush County, Indiana, and that's why this polygon is pink. But now that's radar indicated, we have a radar indicated tornado, and that's why the polygon is now red, okay? So just an extension eastward. If I go back over to radar, hold on, let me take a look and see what's coming from the National Weather Service. Looks like, okay, we have an observed tornado now up in Mercer County. So, let's see here. Okay, there it is. The tornado producing storm was located near Coldwater, moving. Be in your shelters now, okay? This is a confirmed tornado. And we have a debris signature trying to show up on signature to kind of appear, okay? So we have an observed tornado on the ground in Mercer County, okay? And right near Coldwater, okay? So if you live in Mercer County, get to your safe spot now. This is an observed tornado. We have 2 areas of rotation to be exact. And this will continue to push to the east. We also have a tornado warning that is still in effect, that has recently been issued, rather, for Fayette and Union counties in Indiana until 8:30. This is, see here, back up to Mercer County, will appear at some point. Go ahead. Northview Drive, High Avenue, County Road 219. So if you live in Coldwater, you need to be in your shelters now. This debris signature not showing up yet. Go back down here, check out this one, because there's still no clear debris signatures with this one. And of debris showing up, this is south of Coldwater. And this could actually, the radar is basically, it's having to look through all this rain, okay? That's why it's having such a hard look through all this rain, okay? So, Dark County currently not a tornado warning, okay? In fact, no warning for Dark County, just a tornado watch, okay? The tornado warning as well, we have it on Coldwater. Let's see what we get in Wayne counties in Indiana, as well as Butler and Preble counties in Ohio until 12:15. So, not a question that we could see some ponding of water. Okay, we have an observed tornado now. So let's go ahead and go back down to the south now. We now have 2 tornadoes on the ground. Hold on a minute. What? It's okay. We're not in a warning. We're not in a warning, Mommy. We're not going to be. Sorry, guys. Anyway, we have now 2 tornadoes on. There's a new tornado warning coming.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Dark County until 8:45 p.m. Chester, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without tree damage is likely. Locations in Pikeville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, self from flying debris. To report, submit your report via social media when you can.
It's alright, Mommy. It's to the north of us. It's north of us. She's really scared. Anyway, this is until 8:45. So Raven, Greenville, Ansonia, Union City, and for Fayette and Union counties in Indiana, we also still have, we basically counties in Indiana until 8, was 5. We'll zoom in Fayette County, confirmed tornado at 8 p.m. A tornado was reported in Rush County, Indiana. Okay. So, we have a tornado that is observed in, back in, with the storm that is coming out of, let me see what's new from the national weather. Okay, let's go ahead. There's the Randolph County, Indiana, and moving into Darke County, okay? So if you live in Darke County, get to your safe spot, okay? Because it looks like it could touch down, okay? Of debris. Of debris with this one at this point. Hold on, let me try. Okay, still not seeing any clear indications of debris, okay? So that's good. Well, it looks like we may have some debris that is trying to show up right here where we see this green shading right here. That is where we may have some debris that has been lofted. This will continue to track into central Darke County. Continuous tornado warning for Mercer County, still showing an observed tornado. Let's go back up there. We have a tornado on the ground in Mercer County. We're hearing thunder here now at the studios. There is a warning for Darke County, but not for southern Darke. Fayette, Union, and Wayne counties in Indiana has been allowed to expire. Greenville, however, you need to be in your safe spot to the east, really. I'll go ahead and put exactly where this is going. Greenville, 36 minutes, 59 minutes to Gettysburg. Actually, let's do a little bit more of a wider track, really. Greenville, 45 minutes. Okay. Breathe. Still. Finally starting to see our tornadoes show up in Mercer. We also have an observed tornado with this one. This is tornado warning for Auglaize and Mercer County. Tornado for Auglaize and Mercer County. There's the circulation right there. This is in Mercer County. This tornado warning. You see now the polygons are pink. This is the new one right here that just popped up. That's the one that includes Mercer and Auglaize County until 8:45. This is probably the circulation right here between Salina and Montezuma. Let's slide back down and check out the one here in Darke County. Okay, first of all, I want to show you Western Auglaize County. That's until 8:45. That's just an extension of the previous one. If you live in Salina, Wappa, Neptune, Kazoo, if you're near the intersection of State Route 116 and State Route 197 spot, we have an observed tornado with that one. We still have a tornado warning that continues for Darke County, for central parts of Darke County, for north. Until 8:45, still radar indicated with this one, but Greenville, anywhere from Green. Let's see here. We also have a tornado warning that continues for 30. This one we also know has a tornado on the ground as well. Debris. Okay, the previous tornado warning has been allowed to expire for Mercer County, but that new one is what takes over, okay? Some debris that's been wafted. Tornado we've seen indications of debris of Union City into the west of Ansonia. I'm going to go ahead and get street level down, and we'll see who's in line with this storm. Union City Union City, Elroy Road, Stod Road, Beamsville, Hunter Road, Warvell Road, County Highway 98, down to around Greenville, South Broadway Street, Front Street, Jeff Broomball Road, County Highway, Wagner Avenue, East Russ Road, County Highway 149, Lansdowne Avenue, I apologize if I mispronounce, Manchester Drive, East Russ Road, New Madison Cold Town. See if I can grab some more. I'm going to turn the radar off because I can barely see the, or hold on a minute. Okay. Damage possible in Franklin, Union Counties, Indiana with that tornado. Okay, so this is getting pretty intense. To see where the debris is lofted. Whoops. A large and extremely dangerous 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Okay, so we do know that we have a radar confirmed tornado, okay? This is in Indiana, okay? It's moving to the east, okay? So if you live in Fayette County, Union County, Franklin County, you'll be okay. But now, Union County tornado warning, don't be surprised if a new warning gets issued because there's a tornado on the ground with this one. So I'll go ahead and turn the velocity. Yeah, there's the rotation, if any, okay? I'm going to go ahead and turn the switch back over to the radar. We'll go ahead and go back up to Mercer County. I don't want to forget about you guys. We have the circulation just to the north of Chickasaw. This is right along the boundary of this tornado warning. And we'll see if we have any debris into the north of Chickasaw. Go back over to radar. Go back down to Darke County, where we still also have a tornado warning. And this looks like a tornado that is starting to wrap up. News of victims, the warning. Okay, so that's way outside of you, right? Okay, my bad. Okay, Greenville, get to your safe spot now. We have what looks to be the circulation trying to tighten up really. Have red and green on the velocity scans. That means we have winds where the most intense winds are located within the sun towards Greenville. Okay, south of Greenville, mostly pea-sized hail, but a few zones as large as a quarter mixed in. Okay, so we know we have hail produced with this storm as well. So anyway, this storm, this circulation, is starting to clear indication. Okay, this is a new
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for until 9 p.m. at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Now, fake
tornado warning for Fayette
County, Union County, Indiana, southeastern Fayette County, Indiana, southwestern Preble County until 9 p.m. April, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those windows and vehicles will occur. Liberty, West College Corner, Salem, Brownsville, College Corner, Boston, Dunlapsville, Wood Station, and Springersville. Avoid windows. Yourself from flying debris. Submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for
well, this is tornado warning.
County, southwestern Union County, Indiana, southern Fayette County, Indiana, until 9 p.m. At 8:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Lake Santee, moving east at 4. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed, include Boothville, Blooming Grove, Columbia, Metamora, Laurel, Milltown, Andersonville, Alpine, Everton, and Buena Vista. Avoid windows. Protect yourself from flying debris and submit your report via social.
It's a flash flood warning.
The National County, Indiana, Franklin County, Butler County, EM. Radar indicated thunderstorm rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible. Flooding caused by thunderstorms. Certain areas, highways, streets, and underpasses experience flash flooding include Hamilton, Fairfield, Oxford, Connersville, Eaton, Batesville, Boothville, West College Corner, Oldenburg, Glenwood, Guttown, Williamsdale, Lake Santee, and Salem. Turn around. Don't drown when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Okay. I'm back. The new tornado warnings for. That is because there is a tornado warning to the north of New Madison. Which that is because the basic sirens here in New Madison, it's okay. No, there's no warning specifically for New Madison. Okay, what happened is that because there is a tornado, municipalities, okay, will sound the sirens. The northern half, western, eastern, it doesn't matter. Okay, it's countywide. So if you live in southern Dark County, you're hearing the sirens go off right now. It's okay. There is no tornado warning for southern Dark County. It's just because you can hear the sirens go off, but they are going off. And Wayne County still, we have a new flash flood warning. That's what this purple polygon is indicating down here. Flash flood warning for Fayette, Union, Butler, Preble, and Franklin counties until 12:30. So possibility of some flash flooding occurring. We have tornado warnings that have been issued for southern Fayette, southwestern Union counties until 9 o'clock. Another one that has been issued for Fayette, Union, Wayne, and Preble counties until 9 o'clock as well. We have a new tornado warning that just came out. This is for Dark, Miami, and Shelby counties. Well, right now we need to get going with these. For Dark, Shelby, and Miami counties, that goes until 9:15 for this storm right here. We still have a tornado warning that continues for Auglaize, Mercer, Shelby, and Logan counties until 9 o'clock as well. This right here, this is right now, Gettysburg. You need to be in your safe spot right now. Tracking to the east, it is trying around. So fish it on Gettysburg. Slide down here, not see clear debris signatures right now. St. Mary's and New Bremen, just in the west of Auglaize County, need to be in your safe spot. To the east, towards Gettysburg, Clint and Sidney, Piqua, Greenville, Versailles, Covington, Bradford, Hardin, Webster, Russia, Gettysburg, Harrington, Horatio, Pikeville, and Houston. You need to be moving to your safe spot right now. Get to your safe spot, okay? Um, see here, we have tornado warning indications on radar of a possible tornado up there. You can see as I put on radar, this is the circulation is county. You need to be better to have damage. If you're in any of these areas that is under tornado warning, Allways County, safe spot. Eastern Dark County, Shelby, Miami counties, get to your safe spot. Union, Wayne, and Preble, get to your safe spot, okay? Remember, the property can be replaced, but people cannot, okay? If you live in New Madison, but New Madison is not in a warning, okay? But Gettysburg, get to your safe spot. This circulation is gate-to-gate shear, where we have pixel next to pixel going both outbound and inbound to the radar, okay? This is indicating a very, very dark county tightening up, okay? We have red going away from the radar, green going towards the radar. We have rotation just in the northwest of Gettysburg, moving near Bradford. There you go. Miami County, Shelby County, you should be okay. It looks like it's going to stay to your south, but get to your safe spot anyway, just to be on the safe side. Go back over the radar. It's right here, folks. Storm in the Eastern Dark County is right here. So this is a rain rat circulation as well, folks. Okay, this is moving towards Gettysburg. This will be moving towards Bradford. You need to be in your safe spot, okay? We'll zoom down to the south county. We still have this tornado warning that continues until 9 o'clock this evening. We have several tornado warnings. We have an observed tornado with this one now in Allways County, right here. Yeah, right there. Get to your safe spot now. Wapakoneta, get to your safe spot. Alright? Gettysburg, northeast of Greenville, okay? The debris tracker is lagging a little bit, folks, okay? I'm going to back this up a little bit. I'm starting to get some glare. Okay. That's my dad. Anyway. Right here. This is your safe spot now, please. Go ahead and try and get some street level going again. County Highway 32. County here. River Road. This is Road. Again. Cleaner Road. Okay, so this is moving in eastern parts of Dark County, moving into northwestern Miami County. This is off. There's also circulation to the south. We have a not seeing clear indications of debris with that one. County Highway 130 South Black Hoof Street. There's interstate. There's Canning Factory Road. Wapakoneta, get to your safe spot if you're in eastern Dark County. See here. I'm going to go ahead and pull the hail tracker up. We're going to see if there's any indications of hail with these storms. And there is some hail with every one of these storms. I'm going to say this. And if you remember 2019 as 2019, play around with these tornado warnings. You have to be. Okay? Alright? The last thing we don't want fatalities. We don't want any level of your home, okay? Dangerous situation. Please get to your safe spot. Okay. This is a dangerous situation. You have to be in your safe spot now. This is to the northwest. Preble County. This is a very, very tight. Let's slide back up. It's almost over. Gettysburg, you're ready to come out of your safe spot. The storm is freeing, okay? Gettysburg, you're almost okay to come out of your safe spot. Give it a few more minutes, and you'll be okay to come out, okay? Bradford, you need to be in your safe spot. If you're in Pleasant Hill, you're fine. Western Shelby County, you need to be in your safe spot. Update County, your threat for already come out of your safe spot, okay? You west of this storm in Dark County. Now, I'm going to do the same thing. If you live in central Aubrey County, for on the ground up there as well, that is moving indications of debris. It looks like it's trying to shrink down a little bit. That is maybe some promising news though. But if you're in Wapakoneta and Uniapolis, tornado warning. But it looks like it's good to go spot if you are in northwestern Logan, the Indian Lake area. Indian Lake, you're not in particular in the warning. Russell's Point, you're on the edge of the warning, okay? With this storm, this is looking pretty intense as well. Give me 1 second here, folks. Not seeing clear indications of debris, but stay in your safe spot if you're in Union County. You're not in the warning yet, but you could be at some point. Okay, if the storm does hold together. Okay. Someone in Lima, you are okay. You're okay. Dark County, moving into Miami, Shelby County. We have what as far as confirmed the tornado. You now have confirmation, Dark County, or at least, okay, what's this? Okay, this is right around New Madison, debris signature. Okay, not sure what's going on. Let's check this out here, folks, which I'm not sure why. In northern Butler County until 9:15. We'll go ahead and skip this. Okay, we'll just skip that because that takes up a lot of the time. And the county goes until 9:15. Antonio was looking in your West College Corner, moving in West College Corner, College Haven, Houston Woods State, Moultonville, Sugar Valley, and Lake Lockington. Not Lockington. Lake Grin. I apologize. Let me step it. There's another warning.
County, Southern Union County, Indiana. A thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located as hail. Source, radar. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs. Oxford, Brookville, West Billingsville, Mountain State Recreation Area, and Mixer's lowest floor of a sturdy building. Debris. To report severe weather, go to via social media when you can do so safely.
Tornado warning has been issued for. There's another tornado warning.
Southwestern Logan County, Central Aubrey, capable of producing a tornado is located near Reno. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris with Lakeview, Williamsfield, 25 in Ohio between mile markers 107 and 114. Take cover now. If you are outdoors in a mobile home, debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Alright, I'm back with you guys now. Preble in northern Butler County came out for Southern Union, came out for Augley's and northwestern Logan counties. That's until 9:30 as well. For those of you that are just joining here, live as well, I have been because tornado warnings have been popping up left and right. Started in Mercer County and have since then continued all the way down south. Okay, we have had reports of touchdown in eastern Darke County, we believe, Marshville area. So we know we have had touchdowns occur. Mercer County, you're out of the tornado warning. Sorry, we have a fire. You saw that lavender polygon go away. We have this new one that goes until, what is that again? That is until 9:30. We have a tornado warning that continues for eastern Darke. In fact, eastern Darke, you're okay to come out of your safe spot. The storm is past enough. You can come out of your safe spot. So it's just mainly Shelby. Okay, there you go. Southern Shelby and northern Miami counties. That continues until 9:15. Butler County and central Preble County until 9:15. Another 20 counties in Indiana, as well as western Butler counties, as well as western Butler County in Ohio. That goes until 9:30. So we have a lot that continues for parts until 1 a.m. So looks like let's go ahead and we'll check the velocities on this storm. Not seeing really indications of rotation with that one, even though we do have a tornado warning. Shelby County around the Lockington area, you're okay. The worst of the storm is to your south, but possibly some hail and gusty winds and lightning. But stay in your safe spot though if you're in Lockington. But if you're in Piqua and Fletcher, you need to stay in your safe spot. There is a circulation that is moving through right now. We have a circulation. We have two circulations down here. The one that we saw in eastern Darke County that was tightened up, and now this one is trying to tighten up as well. And this one is in northeastern Franklin County. This will continue to move into northwestern Butler County. So look out. Oxford. Look out the town of Oxford. If you're east, no doubt in my mind that this tornado warning for western Butler County is going to get extended eastward. Okay, so if you're in northern Butler County, particularly from Hamilton to the north, Hamilton and northward, get to your safe spot anyway. If you have any indications of debris with any of these storms, and there we go. Okay, not seeing any real clear indications of debris with this storm that is in Franklin County and that's moving into Butler County. In fact, there's a new image. But I don't think. Okay, so rotation is so it's not colo. It's not colo. Sorry, there was a bug that flew in my head. Anyway, so not seeing indications of tornadic debris, which is good. Not seeing indications of debris in Preble County, but is in line. Hillcrest Drive. Come on, work. This Old Trace Road again. Fisher Twin Road. So if you live in Eaton, you need to be in your safe spot though, okay? Not seeing indications of debris. Ziegler Road, New Hetzler Road, Lindsay Street, Vine Street, Madison Avenue, Echo Lake Drive, Rosales Road as well. Let's go. Not Ashburn Road. I can get some roads. I can pick it up. Ashburn Road, Middle Pike, okay. Continue to move to the east. So if you live, I see Dara Hardyman at Montgomery County. Right now you're good, but in New Lebanon. Let's check out I am also simulcasting on the YouTube channels that watch YouTube. You can watch. Let's see here. Basically, it doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter if you're for some severe weather. Okay, And just so you guys at the mid beginning, because Clinton counties, we have counties, they're under tornado warning currently, but the rest of the county of Logan County, excuse me, has not been affected yet. So we still have hours to go of this severe continue to move to the east, okay? So Dayton, Mason, Blanchester, Hamilton, the northern half of Butler County, in your safe spot. Eaton, it looks like this storm, the worst of the storm is going to pass to the south of you, but stay in your safe spot anyway. Let's see here. Counties, be on alert. Bellefontaine, be on alert. Northwestern Logan County, you continue with the tornado warning. Wapakoneta, you're okay now to come out of your safe spot. The storm is far enough for you. You don't have to worry about it anymore. Eastern Ottawa County, stay in your safe spot though. Northwestern Logan County, stay in your safe spot. And down to the south towards Wilmington, even more really. That you still need to be on high alert, okay? Because these storms are moving in, okay? These are Blanchester, Wilmington, Xenia, Clifton, Springfield, and so on and so forth, okay? Let's get you in some of the close of these storms. Got Oxford. You have a strong circulation Fletcher. You need to be in your safe spot. This circulation, if you live in Northern, if you live in now, it looks like as well. But Lockington, your threat is Champaign County, okay? Another back-to-back punch, okay? There's Troy. No warning for Troy currently, but that could change, okay? I'm going to take you in real close. Eaton Oxford Road, Morning Sun Road, Pottinger Road, Swan Beauty, Young Road, County Highway 227. Okay, so if you're in Southern Preble County, Riggs Road, Brookville Road, Indian Creek Road, State Line Road, North State Line Road, Dana Road, Dana Drive rather. Let's zoom in real close on Oxford and see if we can get you some more streets. K Wrench Drive, here, Fairfield Road, McGuffey Avenue, St. Locust Street, West Collins Street. Those of you that live in Northwestern Butler Drive, Roberts Drive, Booth Road, Arrowhead Drive, Poplar Street. So Oxford being your safe spot, okay? The circulation is passing to the south of downtown Oxford. Let's go ahead and check out debris tracker. Has been allowed. The tornado warning has expired, okay? Miami County, you continue from tornado warning. Well, actually, that tornado warning just went away as well. Now, I can give the all clear. Well, hold on. Well, southeastern Union County staying in your safe spot. The rest of Union County, Fayette County, Miami County, Shelby, Logan, Auglaize, Mercer counties, you are okay to come out of your safe spot. And but this will likely get canceled as well. Starting to expire. So we don't want to leave this out. We also have a flash flood warning. I'll go ahead and turn the radar off. We have this purple polygon right here. This is a flash flood warning that continues for Fayette, Union, and Franklin counties in Indiana in effect until 12:30. Okay, or did that get extended? Okay, no, it's still the same time. Okay. So we are looking at the potential for some flash flooding to occur in these areas that is under the flash flood warning. That's what it's for the Miami Valley. Blue shooting is the tornado watch that continues to get canceled early. Okay, it's already in charge of it.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm capable of quarter-size hail. Source: shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include
come back with that has been issued for Butler County. 45, just an extension eastward. This previous one back here to the west, Eastern Union County, you can come out of your safe spot now. Same thing with Franklin County, you can come out of your safe spot. If you're in Oxford, give it a few more minutes and then you can come out of your safe spot. That includes Hamilton up to 7 Mile and over toward the Somerville area. This one goes until 9:45, so this is the brand new tornado warning, the latest. Get to your safe spot now. If you're in Hamilton, 7 Miles, Somerville. Let's see here, what else? Hamilton, Fairfield, Somerville. Get to your safe spot, okay? Let's go ahead and take a look at the velocities. We still have a circulation that is to the south and east of downtown Oxford. This is moving towards 7 Mile, Wallace Road, Nicholas, Sholem. This is Darktown Road, Hamilton Taylor School Road, Hamilton Eaton Road, West Pennsylvania Avenue, Brooks Road, Eaton Road, Jacksonburg Road, and East Taylor School. The line for the storm. There's a track for that storm. All right. So 7 Mile, Middletown. 7 minutes, Lebanon, 54 minutes just yet for so yeah, check that out. See if we have any indications of debris. Also, while we're at it, we'll check and see what we have from the National Weather Service. Flood advisory in Ohio has been extended until 2:15 a.m. in Indiana, as well as Butler and Preble counties. And Oxford Amateur Radio reports hail out of these storms. Let's see here. Okay, looks like the debris tracker is taking tornado warning. Okay, so tornado warning for Dearborn, Franklin, and Ripley counties in Indiana. Okay, what is this one at? Okay, so this is outside of the area, the viewing area. So tornado warning continues though for until 9:30. But that one will expire, okay? So this new one goes until 9:45. I'm not seeing any clear indications of debris at the moment, really. Go ahead and check out the other storms that have been under tornado warnings lately. Not a clear debris signatures, that's good. No debris signatures, that's good as well. That's some positive news, okay? We actually, this is a new one. A new tornado warning in Franklin County. So it's for this storm right here that also is showing signs of rotation up in Indiana until 10 o'clock. Tornado radar indicated. We have this storm still showing rotation in Butler County. This is moving towards 7 Mile. 45 minutes. I don't know why. Because it's there, it's almost there, it's just to the west of you. It is about, let's see if I can get a distance. I'm going to go ahead and flip back to the radar. You can see this storm to everyone that is watching. Welcome. I have been live on the air of tornado warnings popping up that started up in Mercer Service, Gettysburg, farm buildings, possible tornado. Okay, so that may be the word of the touchdown. We may be starting to get reports now of what happened really. So that was here we go. We got some thunderstorm wind damage. We got some new warnings.
Southeastern Logan County until 10 p.m.
for Champaign and Southeast. Right here, this is the same one that, Dr. Miami County. You can see where storm reports, damage to multiple farm buildings, possible tornado. We got 2 reports out of Greenville. Structural damage, roofs destroyed, roof damage, trees down on Parkside Drive. Okay, so we may have had a touchdown in the green. Now, the new tornado warning for Champaign and Logan counties up till 10 o'clock this evening. There's the circulation to the east, okay? North Lewisburg, Cable, Kennard, Pickletown, and Lippincott, or however you say it. So if you're in any of these areas under this tornado warning, get to your safe spot now, okay? Sliding back down south, we still have a tornado warning that continues for 5. You need to be in your safe spot. Oxford, you're off. Your threat is okay. Okay, so yeah, but yeah, Millville, stay in your safe spot. Hamilton, get to your safe spot. This is almost right at the top of you. 7 Mile, this is over the top of you right now. You are getting heavy rain, possibly some hail and gusty anyway. Same thing for you in Monroe. Get you to pass between 7 Mile and New Miami. So just at the bottom of your screen, that's New Miami, okay? So this circulation is going to pass just to the south of downtown 7 Mile, and just to the north. Have friends or family that live between. Give them a call right now and tell them to get to their safe spot, okay? As there is a possible as there is some rotation that could produce a possible tornado, okay? I just saw the warning change slightly. Okay, so they cut back on the western part of this tornado warning. So now the western half of northern Butler County is no longer in a tornado warning. It's just now secluded to this part of the county, which includes Hamilton and the tornado warning. Trenton, you're in this tornado warning still. But Oxford, Fairfield, this is going to be staying to the north of you. Western Warren County, and even over towards Wayne, the warning gets extended again. It may include parts of northern Warren County. Obviously from around the Centerville, Washington Township area, and over towards Spring Valley, and just to the south of the Xenia area. Stay alert as well. Alright? But right now we have just 2 tornado warnings in effect. One for Butler County until 9:45, and then we have this new one for Champaign and Logan counties until 10 o'clock, okay? So we are seeing that passing to the north and west. This is going to be passing north and west of Urbana, okay? So if you're in St. Terrace, stay in your safe spot, and then you can come out. West Liberty, be in your safe spot, even though it looks like this circulation is going to pass to the south of you, but stay in your safe spot. And get to your safe spot. You are right outside the tornado warning, but get to your Cable State Park, if you're around that area, get to your safe spot. Lippincott, get to your safe spot as well. You are all in the path of this circulation, okay? That is Urbana, get in your safe spot anyway, just be on the safe side. We still have this circulation again that is in, this is to the south of 7 Mile and to the north of New Miami, okay? So if you live in, so now Trenton, get to your Mile. New Miami, this is to the north of you, okay? Hamilton, this is just to the north of you. This is way north of the potential for hail and gusty winds and heavy rain in Hamilton. However, before I forget, we have this tornado warning south of Butler County. But that tornado warning goes until 10 o'clock. This tornado warning continues until 9:45, so another few minutes left on this tornado warning. We'll see what the National Weather Service does, whether they decide to let it expire or if they decide to extend it, okay? But it looks like the circulation is starting to get tight. Like we have the red and the green, just in case that the circulation is trying, that are watching the radars as well. They're watching the radars. They're the ones that issue the warnings. they're keeping an eye on this one, okay? If they see that this circulation is starting to expire for Butler County, then they issue the tornado warning. After this one, it looks like the circulation is trying to extend it to the east. So for those of you in far and western Warren County, in northern and western Warren County, so it's going to be moving right towards Trenton. So get to your red indicates winds moving right in Wilmington is off to the east west, so they're moving away from the radar and very close to each other, like we are going on within the storm. And the more that they get close where the circulation is. This is a new flash flood warning. A new flash flood warning.
Issued a flash Fulton County until 12:45 a.m. Area between 0.5 and 1 inches are possible, with total rainfall of 2 to 3 inches expected in these areas through the next 1 to 2 hours. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Small creeks and streams, urban areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding in Sharonville, Monroe, Blue Wyoming, Batesville, and Mount. That's current vehicles. Being especially cautious flooding, go to our website at weather.gov safely.
Just came out. This is for Butler County as these storms are continuing to move by water, okay? So Fayette, Union, and still continues until we also still have a tornado warning that's left. We'll see what the National Weather Service decides to do. We also, before I forget, we still have a tornado warning that Logan County has been canceled out of this. Okay, so this is a new warning. This is a new severe thunderstorm warning.
42 p.m. A severe thunderstorm, hour wind gusts, power lines. Locations impacted include Middletown, Mason, Lebanon, Springboro, Monroe, Trenton, Franklin, Carlisle, South Middletown, Hunter, Four Bridges, South Lebanon, Jacksonburg, Hughes. Includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 26 and 28. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 24 and 41. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Champaign County, southwestern Union County, Ohio, north central Madison County. Producing a tornado is located near St. Paris, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or impacted include Urbana, Mechanicsburg, Milford Center, Woodstock, Mutual, Cable, Chapri, Rosedale, State Route 4F, State Route 161, and Rizaka. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Okay, I'm back with you guys now. We have two new warnings for extension of the previous one that continues until 10 o'clock. So Eastern Champaign County, get in your safe spot, or Urbana, stay in your safe spot. We have the tornado warning for Butler County has been allowed to expire, and this is a good thing though, because we have a new severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued. This replaces the tornado warning, so it looks like we may be now starting to see more of a hail and wind threat with this storm. Although we still do have some signs of rotation still, just to the south of Middletown. They just got the latest update from Fast Track Doppler radar. You see this storm trucking right along. This severe thunderstorm warning for Butler and Warren counties goes until 10:15. And I want you to notice a couple things here with the severe thunderstorm. It's moving east at 36 miles an hour. That's an indication right there. That's why we have flash flood warnings in effect as well, because these storms are not moving all that fast. They're moving like slow, and they're moving slow instead. That's why we have flash flood warnings that have been issued. Okay, and I just heard a ding. Okay, tornado warning. Okay, that's for Ripley County. Okay. Anyway, okay. So these storms are moving slow rather than fast. That's why we have flash flood warnings starting to come out. Okay, and flood advisories. We still have flood advisories that are in effect as well. So yeah, this storm is moving east at 36 miles an hour. We have a tornado possible tag, meaning the Weather Service is still seeing indications of rotation, but it's not as strong as it was before. The rotation has somewhat spread out a little bit. It looks like it's trying to strengthen a little bit again, but it looks like the main threat is now going to be hail and damaging winds with this storm rather than circulation, really. I want to point something else as well. Focus your attention up here to Germantown in southwestern Montgomery County. Looks like a little bit of some circulation trying to develop right there, so we'll have to watch that as well. Right now, no warning for Montgomery County, but if that continues to strengthen, that could turn into a tornado warning. But for right now, you're okay in Montgomery County, but stay alert, okay? We'll go ahead and we'll take a look at the hail tracker and see if we have any indications of hail with this storm, and we do. We have indications of 1.4 inch diameter hail with the storm in Butler County. This is again the hail tracker. Okay, so this indicates where there may be hail. Okay, and certainly with this storm up here around the Urbana area, we're getting indications of hail as well. Almost an inch in diameter hail, inch in diameter size hail with this storm. So right now, 0.9 inches in diameter. If you didn't know about this, with storms that become tornadic and develop circulation, a lot of times when you have the circulation on the southern side, on the southern part of the storm, like we have seen with a lot of these storms tonight, when you have the circulation on the southern side, to the north of the circulation, that's where you will get the three pieces. The first part is what we call the fan, which is on the northern fringe of the storm. Okay, that's where we see the more moderate to lighter rain. Okay, and also some embedded heavy rain as well. Okay, but we have what's called the fan on the northern fringe of the storm. Okay, that's where we see the hail all the way back down to Urbana, and then the circulation. We have another warning.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Horn County, northwestern Hamilton County, southwestern Butler County until 10:50. Tornado is located over Bright, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Fairfield, Forest Park, Springdale, Harrison, North College Hill, Wyoming, Cheviot, Mount Healthy, Bright, Hidden Valley, Finneytown, Ross, Cleves, Shawnee, Taylor Creek, Bridgetown, Miami Heights, Dry Ridge, and Blue Jay. This includes the following interstates: I-74 in Indiana between mile markers 164 and 171. I-74 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 19. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 4 and 9. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Alright, I'm back with you guys now, and sorry I had to run off. I had a kill a stink bug. Which, that's why you saw me going like this, because it stinks in here right now. So, sorry about that. But, back with you guys now. For those of you that just heard, we have a new tornado warning that includes the far southern part of Butler County. This is until 10:15. And it's for this part of the thunderstorm that you, all right, and moving into Hamilton County as well. That's another county that's also in this tornado warning. We still have a tornado warning that continues rather for Champaign County until 10:15, and also one that continues for Champaign County until 10 o'clock. Stay in your safe spot here in Urbana. We have a severe thunderstorm warning that continues. So we have a lot of warnings. Not as much as we had a little bit earlier, but still some warnings. Still a lot of warnings. Looks like the circulation we have one that's trying to develop around Germantown. We're going to continue to watch that. Looking up here, we have a circulation that is forming to the west-northwest of Mechanicsburg. So stay in your safe spot here in Champaign County. We have this circulation that is still showing. It's not as strong as it was earlier, but still showing though. But this is the storm that is in Butler and Warren counties that is severe thunderstorm warned. So, but possibly some hail, some gusty winds with this particular storm. Then we have this storm to the south of Butler County that has prompted this new tornado warning that goes until 10:15 for Butler, Hamilton, and Dearborn counties. Okay, I just heard another ding. Okay, the tornado warning, the previous tornado warning for expired, but we still continue with another tornado warning for Champaign County until 10:15. So Urbana, you're not completely out of the woods. Okay, this tornado warning goes until 10:15 is going to take over in terms of the previous. So Mutual, get to your safe spot immediately. I'm going to go ahead and pop my debris signature on here, debris tracker rather, see if we have any indications of debris. At this point, I'm not seeing any clear indications of debris. That is some good news, but thunderstorm warned storm. Not seeing a clear indications of debris with this storm that is moving through Dearborn County, Indiana, and moving into Hamilton County, Ohio. Again, it's just to the south of Butler County, which is in a tornado warning again. So looks like we're dealing with mostly a radar indicated circulation both in Champaign County and also in just to the south of Butler County, and we're also dealing with wind and hail threat in eastern Butler County and moving into western Warren County as well. I do apologize for that kind of image right there. A lot of times the radar likes to crossfeed. Okay, 2 inches in diameter size hail. That's just the hail core looks to be located just in north of Mutual. 1.1 inch diameter size hail. That's not uncommon with storms that develop rotation because we can get some hail to occur just to the north, on the north side of the rotation. Okay. So in addition, we also have a tornado watch that continues. That continue for, we have a flash flood warning that continues for Fayette, Franklin, and Union counties in Indiana, as well as Butler and Preble counties in Ohio until 12:30. We have another flash flood warning that continues for Butler County until 12:45 a.m. I'm going to go ahead and also pop some other alerts on here that we also have in effect, and that would be the flood advisories. If I can find them on here. Okay, tornado warning for Dearborn and Franklin counties in India has been allowed to expire. This is just an extension eastward now. We'll just shut them off, really. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's just an extension eastward of the previous severe thunderstorm warning, folks. Okay, so this is for far eastern Butler County, Warren County, and then into parts of central Clinton County. This includes Wilmington down to Blanchester, back over towards Mason, and up towards Waynesville. This severe thunderstorm warning, this new one, goes until 11 o'clock. So, still have a tornado possible tag. Seeing some hail under an inch in diameter and some 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts moving east at 29 miles an hour. So again, that's why we have flash flood warnings in effect, because these storms are not moving all that fast. Um, um, so going over the warnings, the alerts rather. So we have the tornado watch that continues for the Miami Valley and the Indiana counties until 1 a.m. We have flash flood warnings that continue for Fayette, Franklin, and Union counties in Indiana, as well as Butler and Preble counties in Ohio until 12:30, as well as another flash flood warning for Butler County that goes until 12:45 in the morning. We have two severe thunderstorm warnings that go. One that goes until 10:15 for Butler and Warren counties, and then a new one that goes until 11 o'clock for Butler, Warren, and Clinton. We have a tornado warning that continues for southern Butler County until 10:15. We have for Champaign County, in effect. We just need to find them. There they are. See if they can pop up on here. Give it a second here, you guys. So, but yeah, if you live in the areas that are under the 2 tornado warnings, stay in your safe spot. I don't know why it's not popping the flood advisories up. Oh, it looks like it may be doing it now. Or at least going to. I'm sorry if you hear barking in the background. Yeah. Okay, I'm live on Facebook right now. Can you take them out? I can't. I have 2 tornado warnings. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, looks like the flood advisories are not going to load. This is a shame. We have flood advisories that do continue for Butler County until 1:30. A flood advisory that continues for Fayette, Franklin, Union, and Wayne counties in Indiana, as well as Butler and Preble counties in Ohio until now 2:15 in the morning. So we have a lot of water that's starting to occur, a lot of flooding. So a lot of the creeks and streams are basically starting to get stressed out. Here's a overall recap of fast-track Doppler radar. Again, we'll look at fast-track Doppler radar right now. You can see we still have 2 tornado warnings that are in effect. One for parts of eastern Champaign County from Urbana eastward. That continues until 10:15. We have severe thunderstorm warnings. One that continues for Butler and Warren County until 10:15. And then a new one that includes Warren and Clinton counties that goes until 11 o'clock. And then we have this tornado warning right here that continues for Dearborn County, Indiana, as well as Hamilton and Butler counties in Ohio until 10:15. We have a flash flood warning for Butler County until 12:45. Another one for Butler and Preble counties in Ohio, as well as Fayette, Franklin, and Union counties in Indiana until 12:30 a.m. And we have flood advisories that continue as well. We have a tornado watch that continues until 1 a.m. for the entire viewing area. And we have had confirmation of potential touchdowns of tornadoes. So right now we continue with the tornado warning as well as Butler County does. Reservoir Road, what is it? Auburger Drive, Pleasant Avenue, Let's turn another ding. Tornado warning for Dearborn County has been canceled. Continues for Butler and Hamilton counties. Okay. The Dearborn County is out of the warning. Let's go back up to the north and get you some Highway 130, Urbana Woodstock Road, New McMill Road, County Highway 2, Parkview Road North, County Road 10, County Highway 150. A lot of notifications here. Here. Yeah, so if you're North Mutual Union Road, Alt Road, basically Champaign County staying in your safe spot. The storm is almost out. Really, it's moving through right now. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Warren and Clinton counties until 11 o'clock, as well as for Butler County and Warren County until 10:15. Still some hail and gusty winds possible with this storm. Tornado warning continues for southern Butler County. So yeah, this is a big night. Okay, but just hang in there. We just have 2 tornado warnings left, and hopefully that will be the end of it. Okay, the only warnings that we will have left over after the tornado warnings is the severe thunderstorm warnings. Okay. So yeah. If you guys have any questions, if you're still watching, comment. I'll answer them. It's not as significant as it was earlier. Good thing I did charge it before. Okay, so this is almost out of Champaign County. This is moving into Madison County, Ohio, which is just outside of Champaign County. So that's good that it's moving out of Champaign County. That's good. So Champaign County, your threat's almost over, but stay in your safe spot. But if you're in Urbana, you can come out of your safe spot now. Mutual, North Lewisburg, Woodstock, you can come out of your safe spot. You're fine. Mechanicsburg, give it a few more minutes, and you can come out of your safe spot. Okay. Looks like the rotation that we were seeing with this storm is not as strong as it was earlier, so that's good. So we're starting to see this rotation weaken. That's good. We still continue with the tornado warning for southern Butler County, but it looks like the circulation that prompted this tornado warning is in Hamilton County. So if you live in Butler County, southern Butler County, around the Ross area, you're okay. It looks like the worst part of the storm is going to stay to your south. But you're gonna have some hail on the north, some hail and gusty winds and heavy rain on the north side of the storm. Okay, Fairfield, you're okay. Lebanon, you are getting pounded right now with heavy rain, gusty winds, lightning, and possibly some hail. Okay, indications of hail right here. 1 inch in diameter. Hail pars outside of Champaign County now. So that's good. Champaign County, your threat is almost over, but if you live in Urbana, you can go ahead and come out of your safe spot. The storm is far enough. The worst of the storm is the storm. Really? But Ross, I still want you to stay in that safe spot. Even though the rotation is to the south of you, I still want you to be in that safe spot because of the damaging winds and hail. But give it a few minutes until this tornado warning expires, which is another few minutes. It's right now 10:10. And this warning goes until 10:15. And same thing with this severe thunderstorm until 10:15 as well. So we'll see these warnings get dropped as well, get expired as well. This tornado warning goes until 10:15 as well. So this will also expire. And then the only warning clock, we also still have flash flood warnings that do continue until 12:30 for Preble, Butler, Union, Fayette, and Franklin counties in Indiana, as well as for Butler County. The other flash flood warning for Butler County goes until 12:45. The previous one, the first one, goes until 12:30. So yeah. And then we have flood advisories as well, like I keep saying, okay? And then tornado watch that continues until 1 a.m. for the entire viewing area. Is what you see stated in blue. Let's see here, we have another ding. Okay, this is just a special weather statement. So yeah, tornado watch also continues until 1 a.m. That's again what you see shaded in blue. So, but we'll likely start seeing this watch get canceled a little bit as these storms continue to move to the east, okay? Although we still continue with the watch and the warnings as well, okay? Tornado warning, okay, new tornado warning for Delaware, Franklin, and Madison and Union counties in Ohio, okay? So this is outside of the viewing area now. Alright, so Champaign County, you're okay. You can come out of your safe spot now. The circulation is far enough to your east. It's just now outside of the county, so you're okay. Tornado warning. Oh, this is a new tornado warning for. I jinxed it!
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for East Central Warren County until 10:45 p.m. At 10:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lebanon, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Marl, South Lebanon, Middleborough, Fort Ancient. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Alright, I'm back with you now. I thought we were done with the tornado warnings, but I guess we're not. Good news though, that tornado warning for southern Butler County has expired. That first severe thunderstorm warning has also expired. That's what you just saw go away. We still have this severe tornado warning for Warren County until 10:45, and it's for this circulation right here. This is to ramp up, okay? So if you live in Warren, it's been allowed to expire. So Champaign County, you're in the clear. Warren County until 10:45 for this circulation right here, which appears to be tightening up very, very strong, okay? I'm going to go ahead and pop my debris signature on so we can take a look at this, okay? And that, I don't think that's co-located really, but we do have what looks to be a debris signature showing up on radar right here, just the northeast of South Lebanon. Okay, this is another tornado warning for Warren County as well, so it looks like we may have two circulations. I think we may have two circulations with the storm.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for tornado was located over Lebanon, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Harleysburg, Oregonia, Cedar Creek State Park, and Gentown. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
I'm back with you guys now. There's another tornado warning for Warren County, also until 10:45. But I want you to look at something here. So I pulled up this product that I've been pulling up several times throughout the night. This is my correlation. We have two indications of what looks to be debris, okay? So we may have two tornadoes touching down, okay? So if you live in Warren County, you need to be in your safe spot right now. We might have some touchdowns happening right now. So we do have indications of debris, both right to the east of Lebanon, and then another one just to the south, or just to the northeast rather, just to the southeast of South Lebanon. This one is also to the north of South Lebanon. I just found another ding. Tornado confirmed. A confirmed tornado was located near Lebanon, moving east at 25 miles per hour. So it is confirmed now that we are a safe spot now, okay? We have a tornado that has been confirmed in Warren County. We have observation here on the radar. We do have a debris signature right here. Get to the basement. If you don't have a basement, find an alternate interior part of your house. And right there, you can see this polygon, this one polygon right here, tornado warning, just changed to lavender, which means we do have an observed tornado. Okay. We also have another. All right. Okay. I'm sorry. One located near Lebanon, one located near Morrow. So we have two tornadoes on the ground. We have two tornadoes on the ground, one near Morrow and one near Lebanon. That's why we're seeing two debris signatures right here. So now we're dealing with an entirely different situation. We now have two tornadoes on the ground. Okay, we have two debris signatures, which means we have two tornadoes, and we have debris that's been lost in the air. Okay, so if you're in Warren County, Morrow, get to your safe spot. Lebanon, this is to the southeast of you, but stay in your safe spot though. If you're in eastern Warren County, get to your safe spot. Clarksville, you're outside of the tornado warning, but western Clinton County, get to your safe spot as well. We have debris that has been lofted. It is showing up on radar, okay? I'm going to take you in and get you some streets, okay? We're going to see who's in line for this storm. South Wadesville Road. We have Glimmer Road, South Nixon Camp Road, Mason Morrow Millgrove Road, Brant Road, Strout Road, Senior Road, Millboro Road, Fisher Road, Woodward Claypool Road, Brook Drive, Ray Central, Washington Way. What else do we have? Millgrove Lane, Meal Field, Lane Way. So it's this area that is under the gun for this tornado. Well, both of these tornadoes really. Let's see here. So Warren County, you need to Lebanon, be in your safe spot still. That are on the ground right now. As we are continuing to track these storms, we still do have two tornadoes on the ground. Let's see here. Okay. Anyway. Okay. We still have a debris signature showing up here on radar. There you go. You see it. This is intensifying even more. This tornado right here. We're seeing some blues that is starting to show up right there. So we see this green dot right here that is starting to become blue. That means we have more debris that is being lofted. This is a new severe thunderstorm warning for Butler County. Butler County severe thunderstorm warning until 11 o'clock. So yeah, But like I said, we have a tornado that is on the ground that's intensifying a lot more. As we do have some indications of debris right here on radar. This means we have more debris that's being lofted. So, tornado warning for Clinton County. This is a new one. We'll just silence the radio. So yeah. But Warren County, you need to be in your safe spot now. We have a tornado on the ground. Clinton County, you need to be in your safe spot now. New tornado warning. That's the new tornado warning that's coming out for Clinton County. That goes until tornado observed tag right there. Says observed. That means we have a confirmed tornado on the ground. Let's see here. I'm going to plug my computer in. It's starting to get low on battery. Give me a second here, folks. I don't want to lose the radar or even lose you guys. So, gotta plug my computer in. There we go. Okay. All right. I got the computer plugged in. Okay. All right. So, we have a tornado on the ground. We have a new tornado warning for Clinton County. This includes Wilmington and Clarksville until 11 o'clock. We have an observed tornado on the ground. We have indications of debris now showing up on radar as indicated here on my debris tracker. That's what this green and now blue dot is indicating, is that we now have a tornado on the ground. Okay. So we'll go ahead and switch to it brings in the new scans in real time. Okay, so you'll see the velocity like disappear temporarily, but then you'll see it like reappear with a new sweep. Okay, that means it's a new live scan. Okay, but we do have the circulation still showing up here on radar. Let's see here. A second here. I'm trying to switch back to the radar. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is a new scan that is coming in. Wilmington is also where the National Weather Service is located. More likely be heading to storm shelters. Okay, which in this case we may have a different office. This is something that we never have had to deal with before, but we may have a National Weather Service office from Cleveland or Jackson, Kentucky, the temporary takeover. So we have a new tornado warning for the southern part of the storm that is down around Blanchester, and this is a radar indicated tornado, whereas to the north we have an observed tornado on the ground. Okay, so you see this tornado warning right here, this red polygon, is for southern Clinton County. That goes until 11 o'clock, but we continue with this storm, with this tornado warning for Clinton County, for central Clinton County until 11 as well. We also have a tornado warning. We also have two tornado warnings that continue for Warren County until 10:45. We have a confirmed tornado that is on the ground. And this is the west of Clarksville right here. So Clarksville, you need to be in your safe spot right now. This is moving towards you right now. Get to your safe spot if you live in Clarksville. Okay. Let's see here. Let's go back over to radar. Clarksville, you need to be in your safe spot. We're getting a new scan in from Fast Track. There's the latest sweep on Fast Track Doppler radar. Okay, a new scan. This is right on top of Clarksville now. New scan coming in on the velocity. There we go. And you can see this is right on top of Clarksville. Go back over to correlation coefficient. There's a little bit of lag time with this, I understand, but this will eventually update, and this will be right over the top of Clarksville, okay? So Clarksville, you need to be in your safe spot as there is a tornado on the ground that is moving towards you. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if it's already there right now, but I know if it's there right now, then you need to be in your safe spot. There we go. There's the new image on the debris tracker showing that this tornado is moving into Clarksville right now. This is a dangerous situation. As we can see, we still have a debris signature showing up on radar. Zoom down into Clarksville and get you some streets here. A road tool. Spring Hill Road, South George Road, Creek Road, South Clarksville Road. Cowan Creek Road, South Clarksville Road again, Pebblestone Lane, 5th Street. I'm going to zoom down in here even more. This is right over the top of Main Street. Spring Hill Road, this is right over the top of you. 5th Street, Piatt Avenue, Linton Avenue, 4th Street, Piatt Avenue again. 3rd Street, 2nd Avenue, East Street, North 1st Avenue, North 1st Street rather, D Street. This is moving right into Clarksville, okay? So if you live in Clarksville, you need to be in your safe spot now. This is a confirmed tornado on the ground, okay? Be in your safe spot, please. This is a confirmed tornado. I'm going to go ahead and go back over to radar. You can see this is right on top of Clarksville. Alright? There's the latest scan on fast track Doppler radar. We are whoops. Oh, come on. Work here. There we go. There's a new scan coming in. It looks like the circulation now is to the east of Clarksville. So this is moving right towards. This could move right near the radar site. So you can see this is the radar site right here. This big clear circle right here. This is the radar site. This is radome. That's the National Weather Service radar. You see we have the circulation still right here. If this moves towards the radar, it could knock it out. Which will be bad. So far as this national want any other, it's more to the east. This tornado. And then the ding for the weather bulletin. Thunderstorm continues for Butler County until 11 o'clock. Okay. That's this one right here. That's this warning right here. That goes until 11 o'clock. If you're in Clinton County, you need to be in your safe spot. Warren County, stay in your safe spot. As we still have a tornado warning for eastern. We still have 2 tornado warnings for eastern parts of Warren County until 10:45. Severe thunderstorm warning has been the new flood advisory that just came out for Champaign County until 1:15 in the morning. That was just issued. Okay, that's outside of viewing area. We still have a tornado on the ground, and that's in and around Clarksville. Tornado warning was it? Because there's 2 that have been issued for Warren County. Let's go back over to radar. We still have a tornado warning that continues for southern Clinton County until 11 o'clock. We have, but just got canceled, really. Okay. There's a new scheme still having the circulation right over the top of Clarksville. see if we get a new scan in. There we go. There's a new scan coming in on the velocity. Looks like the circulation is now continues for eastern Warren County, the one that got observed. That continues until 10:45 as well. Please don't crash on me. It has expired for having a little bit of an issue with fast track, you guys. Okay. So we may the radar it made this a stop for a second there. I was going to lose the radar, but I'm not. Fast track is not going anywhere. Anyway, tornado warning. We still continue with severe thunderstorm warning for Warren and Clinton County until 11 o'clock. We have a tornado warning that continues for central Clinton County until 11 o'clock as well. We have a lot of warnings to continue until 11 o'clock. We'll turn off the live scan, really. That way we can get in closer. Also, the Doppler radar in Wilmington. And I'm going to switch to what's called the live composite mode, which is just basically stuff. You know what, I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to tilt the radar though and see if we can see the rotation a little bit better. It's getting very, very close to the radar site, you guys. It's getting very close. So look here. Here's Wilmington, okay? It's right on top of the Doppler radar. Well, at least the storm itself is. The tornado, it's still to the west of the radar, and hopefully it doesn't knock it out. You know, I hope it doesn't get the radar. Which we have, but it is right near the Doppler radar. We have tornado warnings to continue for Clinton County until another one that continues for Butler County until 11 o'clock as well. Let's check the tornado watch. Continues till 1 a.m. Okay. We'll zoom back down in here. And we'll take a look at the debris tracker again. We'll take our correlation coefficient. Give it a second here. It may not load right away. Apologize, really. I gotta get some Mountain Dew. Okay, looks like we may not be taking a look at the debris tracker after all. Radar now, okay. But if I'm gonna pinpoint it anywhere, if I'm gonna pinpoint it, I would say it's right here. Radar site, basically, just right down. That new severe thunderstorm warning that just got issued. That's for Clinton County. That is for Clinton County until Thursday morning until 11:30. So yeah, but it looks like this tornado, if there is still one, it looks like it's right near the Doppler radar. So it looks like I hope that the Doppler radar does not take a direct hit, but it can. If there is one, then this is going to take a direct hit on the Doppler radar. If there's not, then it's lucky. But if you're in Wilmington, be in your safe spot, please. You need to be in your safe spot now. I'm going to take a look and see what we have coming into the National Weather Service. Tornado warning continues for Clinton County until 11 o'clock. Let's see here. Let's try and take a look at the debris tracker again. This is the picture. It looks like it's right here. That's where it is. This is going to take a possible. Well, not possible. I'm not going to say possible. This is probably going to take a direct aim on the Doppler radar. This is south of downtown Wilmington. So we don't like to see this happen, but let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna back away from the tornado warning for just a little bit. County, as well as wait, canceled for Wayne County, Indiana, and also it's been canceled for Augley, Champaign, Darke, Hardin, Logan, Mercer, Miami, and Shelby counties in Ohio. So the tornado watch, the part of the tornado watch has been dropped. Okay, so half of the Miami Valley. If you're in Wayne County, okay, new to the thunderstorm warning.
To radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Right, so this is a new severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County until 11:30. So anyway, if you live in Wayne County, Indiana, Augley, Champaign, the rest of the Miami Valley still continues with the tornado watch. Okay, I'll go ahead and pop that on. Okay, so it hasn't updated yet, but it will. Darke, Champaign, Logan, Miami, Shelby Valley still continues with the tornado watch. Okay. Back down in here. Still seeing a tornado warning for Clinton County. Let's see what the latest is on this. We haven't issued severe weather certificate yet. Okay, so central Clinton County, that tornado warning has, I can officially say that Wilmington is out of the tornado with the tornado warning for southern Clinton County until 11 o'clock, which that's another few minutes left on this warning. Okay, so it's basically this tornado warning right here is the only one that we have left. Okay, the other warnings that we have are severe thunderstorm warnings, and then we also together. Okay, we have the tornado watch. Miami, Logan, Shelby, Augley, Mercer, Darke counties in Ohio, Wayne County, Indiana have been dropped from the tornado watch. Union counties in Indiana, as well as Butler and Preble counties in Ohio until 12:30. Another flash flood warning continues for County, so no more tornado warnings are in effect. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for southeastern Butler County until 11 o'clock. This severe thunderstorm warning to the east, that includes the eastern part of Clinton County, goes until 11:30. We have a severe thunderstorm warning that continues for southern Warren County and also southern Clinton County until 11:30 as well. I'm going to take the flood advisories. That tornado warning that you see over Columbus, that's nothing to worry about. Flood advisories to show so all tornado warnings have been canceled. All right, there are the polygons that you see in yellow, and this is hopefully going to be this looks to be the end, rather, hopefully, of the severe weather. Nice until 2 a.m.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for north central Brown at 10:51 p.m. Radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 to 2 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by
Warren and Clinton counties. That's until 2 a.m. Anyway, like I was saying, I appreciate everyone who tuned into the, I appreciate everyone that that did tune in. I'm eternally grateful for you guys putting your trust in me.